Aloha and welcome to Hi Now Weekender. I'm Jo Beth DeVera.
And I'm Kanoe Gibson. And if your New Year's resolution includes eating healthier and eating out less, well, you're not alone.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people out there with the same struggle.
Yeah, us right here.
Yes.
That's right, but Good Clean Food Hawaii is making a mealtime easy while saving you time and energy. And joining us today is Bruce from Good Clean Food Hawaii.
Good morning. Thanks for having me out.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited.
Likewise.
Because I like to eat healthy.
Yeah.
Thank you for
We
joining
want it to
us.
taste good though, too,
And we
right?
want it to taste good.
Healthy and good.
Right, so we have food before us, but first of all, tell us about Good Clean Food Hawaii.
Sure, so Good Clean Food Hawaii, we started about 7 years ago here on Oahu. And what we do is we try to take the complexity out of eating healthy by making it simple, convenient, most importantly, delicious.
And how so?
And so what we do is we use big flavors. I mean, I'm sure you love baked chicken and steamed broccoli and brown rice every day of the week. Oh my gosh. How about like bacon?
Yeah.
A little curry.
But who wants to cook it all?
Nobody.
Yes.
Nobody. You love fighting lines at the big box stores, right?
That's where you come into play.
So what we do is we try to make it as easy as possible.
Yeah.
We've got partnerships with amazing locations island-wide. So Orange Theory Fitness, F45, we work with UFC, we also work with a couple other locations on the island that can't necessarily pick up from some of those that I just mentioned, which
Right.
is UFC.
Yeah.
But we do home delivery on the windward side. We're expanding our home delivery options. So you pick your meals online once a week. You pick them up on Mondays and Thursdays the following week. So we make it as easy as possible for you.
What kind of food?
Yeah.
So we've got a bunch of different options. We've got keto options if you're on the keto diet, or if you just like to, you want to save some time because keto cooking is too difficult. Right here we've got our stir-fried vegetables with brown rice, and this is from what we call our clean and lean. So it's a little bit smaller portion size, but kind of simple eating.
Yes.
That's one of our breakfast options. So everything we make is gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, so we don't add any preservatives or sugars.
That's me! I'm supposed to be that.
So there's a lot of benefits to that too. Reduce inflammation.
Absolutely.
But really what it comes down to is just 100% fresh ingredients. And we make everything in-house, from our sauces to the meals, you name it.
Okay,
gosh,
should
it
we
does
try
look
this?
fresh.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
Let's dig in.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try the chicken one
So this
first.
would be typical of what kind of meal did you say?
So this is clean and lean, but you might also find some of this stuff in our keto meals. Not the rice, but
Right, because keto's no carbs, right?
it's low carb.
Low carb,
So low
okay.
carb, a little bit higher fat content.
All right. How do we order, Bruce?
So you order on our website, gcfhawaii.com, and you order by Thursday at 9 p.m. And
Okay.
you can order all your meals for the next week. It's 1 week at a time, so you're not committed to us for weeks, months, years.
Right.
It's
I like
one
that.
week at a time. So if you're busy, your kid's got a soccer match, you got a busy business meeting, or you're a traveling nurse and you're gonna be on island for 2 weeks, you get your meals, you don't have to shop, you don't have to cook, you don't have to clean.
I'm just gonna pick this up.
You eat it, enjoy it, there
Now,
you go, get in
I
there.
do want to mention this because you have a scale here. What's very important about your company, you guys actually take the time to portion these out, right?
Absolutely.
Why is that important?
So every single meal is portioned out for consistency, right? So when you see the label and it says there's 350 calories, there's 600 calories, you want to make sure you're getting 600 calories. So we take the detail on each and every ingredient, like the ones you see in front of us. We weigh each of them, put them in there. Every container you get is going to be the exact same.
This
my
sounds
God.
really good, you guys, and you can get 10% off by putting in the code
Hi
HINOW.
now. Yes! I'm so excited about that. We're doing it.
Awesome.
You have some new products you're rolling out very quickly?
We do, we
Okay.
do. So we're making some changes. We had a vegan and vegetarian line that we just introduced recently.
Okay.
So we're going to be rolling that out completely, making some changes to it. But the packaging is the most exciting thing that we have coming up. So we're reducing our single-use plastics,
Awesome.
doing our best we can for here in Hawaii.
Very good.
And we're moving to sustainable, 100% compostable
That's
packaging
great. All right.
across the island.
Thank you so much, Bruce, for joining us.
It's our
I'm
pleasure.
excited to order mine.
I'm eating more pancakes.
Yes, well, to learn more, we'll have this up on HiNowDaily.com.